Good afternoon from Graham Family Farm. Today's January 27th, 2025. And it's a beautiful day. I think the Chinook helicopter flying around for training from over there at the Yakima Training Center, Army base. It's always good to see. It's the sound of freedom. It's about 10 after 2. We're heading down and bring the pigs and check their water again. Great day for a ride. Well, that's good. I got 4 eggs. Starting to pick up more and more every day. Alright, the pigs got the grain. All the water dishes are good. Chicken's been fed. So, it's a little chilly out here, so I'll go in the house and warm up.